So hello guys, so I just want to show you a mini haul of what we got from Trader Joe's. We recently went to New York City and we went to Trader Joe's. So we don't have Trader Joe's in Canada, so every time we visit the States, we try and visit Trader Joe's. These are the items that I got, and mind you, they are all first time purchases for me, except for this dark chocolate peanut butter. So unahin natin corn, pea, bean, and quinoa crisp. They're $2.49. I got 2. Yung lady beside me sa grocery store told me about this and she said it's good. Mga ingredients: yellow corn, sunflower oil, yellow split peas, green split peas, black bean grits, white quinoa salt, pink salt, and black pepper. So this should be good. So this is how it looks like. Parang hexagon ang shape niya. Yeah, this is the corn, pea, bean, and quinoa crisp, and they're $2.49. So I got 2. Next one, ito masarap to eh. This is the dark chocolate peanut butter cups, and each is 99 cents. There you go. Creamy peanut butter covered in dark chocolate siya. Next one is the Soft Bite Mini Biscotti. What I like about this is it's soft bite. Normally, pag biscotti, alam natin matigas siya, diba? Every time we bite into it. So, it has a chocolate hazelnut flavor. And this guy was priced at $3.99. Matagal pa naman na expiration niya. I think December 2019. So this is good for coffee or tea in the afternoon. There you go. And then I also got this. It says here oven baked cheese bites. They are, I believe, $2.69. So I just got 2. Tatry ko muna siya, and then next time we go back to Trader Joe's, at least alam ko na what to get again. So these are made with 100% cheese, and it's gluten-free and high in protein. So this is again the oven baked cheese bites. Next one, I know this is a popular item. I got a few of this chili lime seasoning blend. They are, I think, hold on. Oh, okay. So all of them are $1.99 US. So I got 5. Some of them I'm gonna give as a pasalubong for my friends. So this is perfect for sprinkling to your mangoes or watermelon, sometimes sa inyong egg or avocado, even popcorn. So mild lang daw ang hint ng heat nito. So this will be perfect. Oh, also as well, this is perfect for your steamed fish. So again, this is the chili lime seasoning from Trader Joe's, and they're $1.99. At the same time, meron ding isang popular item doon, itong everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. This is good for your bagel, and then with some cream cheese, and then sprinkle nyo to on top. It has sesame seeds, sea salt, dried minced garlic, dried minced onion, black sesame seeds, and poppy seeds. And they're also $1.99. Kumuha din ako nitong chomps. This is turkey. Parang ano siya, turkey bites. And then this is the chomps hoppin' jalapeno beef bites. Para siyang mga beef sticks, and they're grass-fed. And this is priced at $1.69 each. Sa nakain na namin, and it's just the original beef sticks. Masarap din ito as a snack. And last but not least, itong organic popcorn namin with organic extra virgin olive oil. And this is $1.99 for this big 5 ounces or 142 grams. Ang ingredients niya is just organic popcorn, organic extra virgin oil, and then sea salt. But there you go, guys. That was my mini haul from Trader Joe's. Also, we went to Whole Foods. And then, nakumuha lang ako ng mga few items. This is the Lily's less sugar dark chocolate chips or dark chocolate keto baking chips. It has stevia, sweetened with stevia, and it's 55% cacao. So this is good with baking, making your almond flour brownies. Tapos kumuha din ako nitong mga Lily's dark chocolate bar. It's 55% cocoa, vegan, and non-GMO. I believe this is almost $8. Pagkatapos ito, 7 something din. So, medyo expensive din siya. Tapos, last but not least, sa aming nabili sa Whole Foods, kumuha din ako nitong 5-pound food scale. May kasama na siyang battery, and this was $29.99 US. There you go, guys. Ito yung aming mini haul from Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. Thank you!